Hey foodies! Welcome back to our channel guys. So today's recipe is the most festive sweet that I've known. It's called Puran Poli, which is also called as Obbatu or Holige. I know everybody has their own recipe for this at their home. I'm here to share my recipe. So if you want to know how to make this soft, delicious, beautiful Puran Poli, just keep watching guys. You'll need the following ingredients to make Puran Poli. I've taken about 750 grams of all-purpose flour, which is also called as maida. To this I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of turmeric or haldi. I'm going to give this a good mix and then I'm going to add water gradually and then make this into a soft dough. Now we need this to act as a coating for our puran. Keep adding water gradually and mix this until it becomes very soft. The trick here is guys, you need to make this at least 2 to 3 hours in advance so that it can soak well. I've added some oil and then I'm meddling it a little bit before I let it rest. The reason why you need to let it rest is because when it rests for a while, it becomes very soft and it will add on an elastic component to itself, which will make it very easy for us to spread it later on. Let this rest and we'll start making the puran in the meanwhile. Here I'm taking tur dal. I've taken about 1 kg of tur dal here. And I'm going to wash it well. Wash it at least 2 to 3 times. Because of time constraint, I've only shown it once, but you guys wash it 2 to 3 times. Now I've kept about 3 to 4 liters of water for boiling here. And then after washing our tur dal, I'm going to add it into this boiling water. Keep the flame on high and let this dal cook nicely until soft and mushy. I'll show you the consistency right now. You need to make sure that the dal cooks well, so let that keep cooking. In the meanwhile, let's break some jaggery. You need to break them into fine pieces like this so that they can melt easily and faster. Here I've taken about 1 kg of jaggery. If you've noticed, I've taken 1 kg of tur dal and I've taken 1 kg of jaggery. Take it in the same proportion and you'll get the best results. Now the dal has been cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then let's just check on it if it's done. So the dal should look like this. Once you press into it, it should break nicely, just like so. Once it looks like that, you need to transfer all the water that the dal has been cooking into another vessel. If you're wondering what I'm actually doing here, I'm actually making some rasam here. We use the water from the dal to make rasam. So if you want me to show you that recipe, make sure you leave it in the comment section. Now that the dal has been strained off, add the jaggery in and then let it cook. Keep the flame on high and then combine the dal and the jaggery well. Do not add any water into this. As you can see, the jaggery has started melting and the consistency of this mixture will become runny. Don't panic, I've not added any water. Once the jaggery melts, it will look something like this. Cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes until the jaggery melts well. And that is the right consistency guys. It will form puran and it will hold shape, so don't panic. Just let it cool down for a little while. And once it is at least 70% cooled, then you need to add it into a mixer grinder and then grind it into a nice paste. Make sure the paste should be really soft. You should not find any dal in between so that you can get the perfect puran poli. I'm adding this in batches and then I'm taking it out into another vessel. As you can see, I'm adding it in batches. Don't make the mistake of adding everything at once. Now our puran is ready, and the maida that we had soaked has been sitting softly soaked so that it will be ready to use. Here I've taken a plastic sheet and we are going to make our puran polis on that. As you can see, I'm making fist size balls of the puran and setting aside. You can make this according to your need, guys. If you want to make it bigger, you can make it bigger. If you want to make it smaller, you can make it smaller. Add some oil onto your transparent sheet here and take this maida that has been soaking nicely and spread it nicely on the palm like this. Now take the ball of puran that we just made and then cover it around this puran nicely. As you can see, it was so easy to spread the maida over the puran. The reason why this is so easy is because the maida has been soaking for at least 3 to 4 hours here. Flatten it with your hand neatly until it makes a round or a goal shape. Now keep a pan for frying. Take it out like this and then let's fry our puran poli. If you're new here, welcome to our channel, guys. Please consider subscribing. We're posting good recipes and we would love to receive some support. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button right now. And if you want us to make something that you want, please do let us know in the comment section. Now our puran poli is ready and let's have our festival food. As you can see, I'm serving up a lot of delicacies here. If you want us to make anything else here, please do let us know in the comment section. We hope you're enjoying what we're showing you, guys. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you've already subscribed to our channel, thank you so much. But if you're new here, welcome to our channel and please consider subscribing. If you try this recipe, please come back and let us know in the comment section if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be back with more videos.